can't keep her hands off me. Have you noticed?
Right,
Faridun?
right.
Come on, Farah. You like me or not?
Very evident.
You love me or
I
not?
love you, Bombi.
Have you tied me Rakhi this year?
I've never tied you Rakhi.
Exactly.
anymore.
See, let's once and for all get the rumors out of there. Farah, let's kiss on
What
camera.
rubbish? Keep quiet.
Hi, this is Boman Irani and you're watching BollywoodHangama.com. Silencio!
I am Farah Khan and you're watching BollywoodHangama.com.
Okay, well, we've had many props in Hindi cinema. There are puppies, there are flowers, and there are ribbons. But for the very first time, we are having a very cute props in the form of bras and panties, and they're giving a new definition altogether to props in Hindi cinema. Pleasure having you guys. These are, as you know, Boman Irani and Farah Khan. Their movie is coming up, Sheere Farhat Ki To Nikal Padi, and you guys are giving a new definition to a lot of props in the Hindi cinema. Do you agree with that?
There is not a bra, there is a parachute.
That is a parachute. No, I'm saying in general, I've seen quite a few promos, and you're saying Shireen love you as well with, I think, you know what.
Yeah, that's
So I've seen a bit of stuff.
He's
So
playing an undergarment salesman.
Yeah.
And the only way, he's been handling bras all his life
Right,
in the movie.
right.
So everything, even the gift he sends me is a bra.
देखो ये हमारा सिल्की आइटम है और ये है फ्लोरेसेंट, अंधेरे में भी चमकता है। और फिर ये पैडिंग वाला आपको जरूरत नहीं है।
But I think it's looking very cute as well. The way it's coming across in the film.
What, the bra?
The bra and the panty, the usage in the film.
The usage in the film.
It's cute because we are doing it. If someone else was doing it,
Correct.
it would look vulgar and obscene.
Correct.
Because we're doing it very innocently.
Right.
Sure, really, yes.
Lots of you're spreading rumors right now all around. That,
Faridun,
yeah.
let me tell you, even his dog is not believing that rumor. Huh? What is your dog's name? Laila.
Faridun, there's no smoke without fire.
we can make that out. In fact, we can make that out. In fact.
Yeah. Can you see the body language? Can you see the comfort levels?
Absolutely.
It doesn't happen otherwise.
You guys are looking the it couple right now. So I think वो कहीं ना कहीं comfort level.
We
Yeah,
are
the hate couple,
the
yeah.
hate couple we were when
Yeah.
we did the movie only.
Correct.
Now we want to be the hate couple.
Not at all, not at all. She can't keep her hands off me. Have you noticed? Faridun? Come on, Farah girl.
Recently, Pooja Bhatt told us that Bipasha Basu and John Abraham, they were in a relationship when they were doing Jism. So somewhere that chemistry may be shown in the movie. So taking the body language into account, so I don't know, maybe the rumors.
Oh God, he's hardly John Abraham and I am hardly Bipasha Basu, and no, I think we are so comfortable because we are not in a relationship.
Right.
We are living in a relationship which is in denial.
Which is in denial. Okay. Tell us finally that did the kiss actually happen in the film? Because apparently you guys rehearsed for that.
On screen it didn't
rehearsed for
happen.
that,
Yeah,
not
we
by
did. It didn't happen.
Faridun, why are you go on saying it enough times and people will think it's
I
true.
hate to lie, no, Farah. And I hate it that, you
He's
are...
such a good actor, yeah.
You are-
Faridun, there was a kiss in the script which I had cut out right when I went to tell them I'm doing the movie, but I cannot do this scene. So
Right.
if either cut it out now, don't say yes, and then at the time of shooting, I'll not be able to do it. I am
She was
not
so
comfortable.
good in rehearsal.
Oh, shut
yeah.
up.
Why were you saying you were not
Keep
going to...
quiet.
She was so good.
And with Vanity Van, I believe, for 45 minutes, that's what I read somewhere.
What?
And so
ये
good.
भी आदमी कम नहीं है यार. He also spreading this.
No, I read somewhere. The Vanity Van and 45 minutes.
And let me tell you-
He only is writing that and sending it.
Acha. No, I'm just confirming.
We don't do kissing well in Hindi films. And I said, you're doing it so well. I would know. No? She was doing it so well.
You acted in.
No, the kissing that she did in the van, she did it so nicely, with so much feeling.
Stop it.
With so much feeling. I said, do it. Cut करेंगे बाद में.
Right.
फर्क पे क्या पड़ता है?
But apparently, even you've been spreading all sorts of rumors that he's having a semi-nude scene in the film and all.
That is not a rumor. That is for sure.
That is
That
for
is
sure.
for, I mean, he is wearing a towel which was the size of a napkin.
Right.
Okay, and that is even in the promo. You can see that. That's not, I'm not spreading
It's not a
it.
rumor.
अरे क्यों क्या बॉस? अगर लड़की तुझे कॉफी पे बुलाए तो उसका मतलब क्या होता है पता है?
What thing?
सेक्स।
I think the poster launch of Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, in fact, Cyrus Brocha said that which side of were you topless, in fact. So that is controversy over there as well, apparently.
Which side?
We are trying to make controversy in this movie, but nobody's believing us. Yeah, bloody. We're trying to make this movie controversial.
Right.
And she is trying so hard by saying नहीं हुआ. जब मना करते हैं ना, there is more truth in that. अगर बोलेंगे yes we did kissing scene and all, people don't believe, but she's trying to make it a controversy.
on the real side of it, I think you guys are looking very good together as far as what you're saying in the... I'm talking about the chemistry part of it, whatever that means.
This chemistry, this word, I'll tell you what, I'm very comfortable. He's my friend for a very long time.
Right.
And I know him, I go to his house, his wife feeds me khana, he comes over.
See, it's always nice to befriend the wife.
How
Keep the wife happy, and then she will not suspect
How
it.
do you know all this? You must have done it before also then.
Not at all. But I like the way she... I want to come and meet Zenobia. I want to eat her khana, and then stab her in the back. That's not nice. That's not nice. I don't...
I think it's not chemistry, but it's called...
Biology.
no, what rubbish. It's camaraderie.
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 What is camaraderie here?
It's like two boys sitting and like, you know.
Buddy talk,
Not a
buddy
girl,
talk. Right,
it's
right.
Like two buddies sitting and they can talk nonsense. We can
Two
discuss
baritones.
anything.
Two baritones.
Yeah, correct. Mine deeper than his sometimes.
You know, but a friend of mine was saying that if at all Boman Irani is spreading all these rumors, say in jest primarily.
Of course
But
it is in
no,
jest.
I'm coming to the point. What he was saying was that Farah Khan, she is a very good-looking woman. So, if Boman is making her chances, there's no. No, seriously. Boman is making her
ये बोल
chances.
के जो तूने उल्टा गोबरी मारा है.
That is a perception of my friend.
What has that got to do with Farah? He is a good looking woman.
A friend told me, I'm just sharing the perception, in fact.
But what has that got to do with the kissing? Ugly people can also kiss.
Not the kissing, I'm saying. I'm basically spreading the rumors about the, you know, just wooing part of it.
Baritone, please thank your friend, but this rumor is not true. Whether he thinks I'm good looking or not, which I think I'm not, but this rumor is not true.
Let's once and for all get the rumors out of there. Farah, let's kiss on
What
camera.
rubbish? Keep quiet.
No, I think we don't mind that scoop.
Why not?
In fact, you've made so many people just dance to your tunes. When we finally saw you just dancing, I think I was seeing this song Khatti Meethi Si. You're having this dream sequence.
I'll tell you what, it's not a dream. It's the first time that this 40-year-old woman has fallen in love, and it's just an expression of. So actually, I'm dancing very badly and all, but it's that she's been so deprived of love, and that she is such a little prim and proper, and that was first time she finds somebody who likes her and she likes. She is just like a letting go of. It's actually that Aaj Main Upar from Sanjay's movie.
Correct.
It's that situation.
This is outside of the movie.
Okay.
Yeah, this is what she felt about me. It's no secret that she likes me a lot. Is it a secret? Do you know that she likes me?
Absolutely, it seems it's very apparent.
You like me or not?
Very evident.
You love me or
I
not?
love you, Bomsy.
Have you tied me Rakhi this year?
I've never tied you Rakhi. any
Exactly.
year.
See, had she tied me a Rakhi, I
So
would have.
either you're a brother or you're a lover. Huh?
That's how the mentality in India works, yeah.
You can't be a friend.
I am sorry. And since we have chosen the lover angle, we might as well go all the way.
Just continue, please.
कभी एक लड़का और लड़की कभी दोस्त नहीं हो सकते
नहीं
टाइप
हो
राइट
Bas, it's rubbish. Rubbish.
Especially such a gorgeous.
खट्टी मीठी स्ट्रॉबेरी सी मौसमों में फील है.
No, in fact, I was coming to the lyrics of the song. I think it's beautiful lyrics. Khatti meethi si, strawberry si, mausapo mein feel hai.
Amitabh Bhattacharya has written, yeah. See, when I heard the song, I thought it was too young for me to sing, you know. It was a very sweet,
Come
young
on.
song.
Anyone can have these sort of feelings at any stage of life.
But I not Shreya singing it was sounding like a young girl singing,
But
so I
you-
got a little worried.
No, but I think you're looking like a young girl as well.
Not in the movie, I'm
Honestly.
looking at-
Come on.
Stop it. Not in the movie, I'm looking like a round ball.
No, don't say that, Farah.
Baman, the perception is that she says all these things so that आप कहें कि नहीं नहीं आप बहुत खूबसूरत लग
ऐसा
रहे हैं.
नहीं है,
You
मेरे
are
को
looking
मैं भी ugly
gorgeous.
नहीं हूँ.
Look at that poster.
That poster.
Look at the way her hair is flying.
That is lovely.
Dr. Photoshop did the surgery on it.
I wanna touch the sunlight. I wanna chase the rainbow. क्या जाने क्या है माजरा.
Okay, and apart from that, we've seen your dance moves in the form of your actors, but we saw you dancing on screen for the very
Yeah,
first
but I was
time.
actually making myself dance a little clumsy and not very professional.
Again, another lie. She was not getting it right. So she kept saying, clumsy batayenge, clumsy. She was not getting it right.
See, Shireen cannot be a very good Fatak dancer. She's a Parsi lady, 40
So
little
Parsi ladies don't dance. What?
overweight and must have not danced for the last 20 years.
Right,
So I've kept it little like clumsy and
Right.
ऐसे बोलने का भी.